Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Dogs Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. This has a 3D effect. The flower sits on top. And this is a little bit tricky to do, so you might need a bit of experience to do this square, but you will do it. You will handle it. If you just follow this tutorial, I will show you every step of the way. And if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed of the video in the settings below. For the yarn, I've used a DK weights and a 4.5mm crochet hook. If you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead and check out my playlist of granny squares where I'm working on doing a tutorial of every granny square in the world. So let's begin with this one. First we make a slip knot. And then we chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in this first chain, we do a double crochet. So yarn over and do a double crochet into this first chain. This chain now counts as one double crochet and one chain. Now you chain 1 and do another double crochet into this chain on the bottom. And then chain 1. And then another double crochet into this center. And you'll just continue with a chain 1 and a double crochet until you have 8 double crochet in total, including this chain from the beginning. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, chain 1, make another double crochet, then chain 1 and another double crochet until you have 8 in total. When you're all the way around, you slip stitch in the top chain over here, the third chain you did. And you now completed the round. Then we can cut the yarn because now I want to change to another color. So just pull this one through and then you will start from another place. So find your new color yarn. I chose the white one. Grab your hook and insert the hook in any of these spaces and pull the new color through. Tie a little knot. And then we begin the next round. So now insert the hook and pull up a loop with the new color. And then chain 2. 1, 2. These 2 chains now count as our first half double crochet. Then you will do a double crochet in the same center here, in the same gap. So 1 double crochet in the same gap. So now we did a half double crochet and a double crochet. Now you'll do a triple crochet. So yarn over twice and do a triple crochet in the same space. And then a double crochet still in the same space. And a half double crochet still in the same space. And this you will repeat in all these spaces. So for the next space, you do a half double crochet. So just insert the hook in the next space and half double crochet. Then double crochet. Then triple crochet. Then double crochet. And finally a half double crochet. So that's how you make these petals on the flower. Continue this 8 times in total. So now we have this little flower. Now you will connect with a slip stitch in the second chain you did over here. So insert the hook in the second chain and slip stitch. Then chain 1. And then in the next 4 stitches, we will do 2 single crochet in each stitch. So insert the hook in the first stitch and single crochet. and insert the hook in the same stitch and single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Move on to this next stitch and single crochet into this, and then another single crochet in the same stitch. Then the next one, also 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and the next one. So 4 stitches with 2 single crochet in each. Then you have this next stitch. You will do 1 slip stitch in this stitch. So 1 slip stitch. And then in the next 4 stitches, you'll do 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then a slip stitch in the 5th. In the next 4, do 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then in the next, a slip stitch. Repeat this all the way around. We will join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch over here. So just insert the hook and slip stitch. And we are now done with the flower in the middle. So I will now break the yarn and pull this one through, and we will now begin the outer part. And I chose the red color for this, and I will attach the red color, if we turn it around, in any of these double crochets from round 1. So just see this little loop. I will show you. This is seen from the back side. Every stitch has this little loop on the back side. This one. This is the one I will be crocheting in, because I won't be crocheting around the stitch because I don't want the red part to be visible on the front. So in this little loop on the back side, I will now attach the yarn. So just insert the hook in this little loop. Find the red yarn, pull this one through, and then tie a knot, and we are ready to go. So you don't see the red color, but it is attached. So now insert the hook in this loop and pull up a loop with the red yarn, so we are ready to crochet. Chain 1. And then do 1 single crochet into this loop, just to get it started. So now you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you find your next double crochet, this one over here. And on the back side, you do 1 single crochet in this loop I showed you before. So just 1 single crochet into this little loop, and then you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you find your next double crochet, this one. Find your little loop on top, as I showed you. It's a little bit hard with this big hook. So just a single crochet into this loop. Just continue like this all the way around in each of the double crochet. Just remember to chain 5 in between every stitch, but then do 1 single crochet in each of the remaining double crochets from the middle. When we're all the way around, we now actually have this tiny red flower on the back side. For this next round, we will be crocheting into these chains we just did. We will finish this round with a slip stitch in this stitch down here. So just insert the hook in the stitch on the bottom, if we are able to get our hook in. So slip stitch. And we will now do a slip stitch in the first chain we get to, just to get over there. So slip stitch in this chain of 5. And now we will chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and these chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. We will do another 2 double crochet into this space. So just insert the hook into the space and do another 2 double crochet. So now we have 3 double crochet in total into this space. Now we will chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then do another 3 double crochet in the same space. And this is how we do all 4 corners. So this one is the first corner. So all 4 corners will be 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same space. So now for the next space right here, we begin with chain 2, 1, 2, and then we find the next space right here. It has 5 chains, this one. You will find the middle one, so you count 1, 2, 3. Now in this middle one, we will do 1 single crochet. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and then we go for the next space over here, and we do another corner. So yarn over and do 3 double crochet, and then chain 3, and then another 3 double crochet in the same space. So that's our second corner. Now we repeat. So for the next one, we chain 2, and then we count 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. So this middle one, we do 1 single crochet into this, and then we chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the next space we do the third corner. Repeat this all the way around until you have 4 corners. Now we finished with 2 chains, and we will join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. So slip stitch in the top chain just to finish the round, and in the next 2 stitches we will also do 1 slip stitch in each stitch. Then do a slip stitch in this corner space, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains now count as the first double crochet. Do another 2 double crochet into this corner space. So now you have 3 double crochet in total. We will now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So that's our first corner. Each corner will be 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. Now we chain 2, 1, 2, and then you see this next space over here. We will do 2 double crochet into this space. So just 1 double crochet, and then in the same space, do another double crochet. Then chain 2. And in the next space, we do the same thing, 2 double crochet in the same space. And then we chain 2. And now we're at the next corner. So we repeat this one. So we do 3 double crochet, and we chain 3, and then another 3 double crochet. And then we have our next corner space. So now you repeat this all the way around. Here on the side you'll do 2 chains, then 2 double crochet in the next space, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet in the next space, then chain 2, and then do the next corner, just like over here and over here. And then to finish it up, with join with a slip stitch in the top chain where we started. So that's it. The next round will very much be a repeat of the previous round. So we begin with 1 slip stitch in each of the next 2 stitches, just to get over through the first corner space. So now slip stitch in the first 2, and then a slip stitch in the first corner space. And chain 3. And we begin the corner space just like we did down here. So you will chain another 2, you do another 2 double crochet. So the first 3 chains counts as the first double crochet, and then we did another 2, and then chain 3, and then do another 3 double crochet in the same corner space. So each corner will be 3 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same space. So now the sides, they will be the same as the previous round. You now chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the next, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet in the next, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the next, and then chain 2 and do the next corner. So you chain 2, find your next space, then double crochet in the next space, and another double crochet, so 2 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the next. Then you do the corner just like you did over here, 3 double crochet, then chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space. Continue this all the way around. And at the end you join with a slip stitch in the top chain where you started. Now for the finishing round, we will begin with 1 chain, and then we will do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And I will show you just how. The next 2 double crochets, you'll do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet in the next. For each corner space, you will do 2 single crochet into the space, 1, 2, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another 2 single crochet into the space, 1, 2, and then for the next 3 double crochet, you'll do 1 single crochet in each stitch. And then for each of these spaces in between the corners, you'll do 2 single crochet into the space. So you insert the hook into the space and single crochet, and another single crochet in the same space. And then in the next 2 double crochet, do 2 single crochet in each of the double crochet. 1, 2, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. And in the next space, do 2 single crochet into the space, 1, 2, and then in the next 2 double crochet, do 1 single crochet in each stitch. And you will just repeat this all the way around. So when you make it to the next corner space, you do 2 single crochet, then chain 3 and 2 single crochet in the same space. Just repeat all the way around. And when you're all the way around, you now join with a slip stitch in the first chain you did of the round. Then we can break the yarn and pull this one through, and you are now done with your little square. It looks like this on the back side. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!